Hi everybody, in this video I will show you Sanhok, which is the richest place of Pubg Mobile. Sanhok is also the smallest map of Pubg Mobile. Buildings are intensive, plants are thick, which means there's the heaven of snakes. As a freshman, how can we stick to the end in Sanhok? Here are some safe spots with the richest resources. You can choose anywhere you like to land. Buildings are close, so don't worry, you can get whatever you want. Boot Camp and Paradise Resort are the top two places that players like to jump. There is a little bit of difficulty for new players in maneuvering around here. Don't come to risk there when you are new. Do not drive unless it's a really long distance to get in the safe zone. The map is so small that you never worry about you being killed in the blue zone. Besides, most vehicles are low speed and noisy, except Moto. Driving will expose yourself more quickly. You'd better arrive at the center of the safe zone before the blue zone comes. Get into the safe zone in advance. It can reduce the probability that you'll be attacked by campers. Attention! Don't run at a straight line on the way to the safe zone. Try to bypass the bushes and watch your back all the time in case of sneak attack. When you're in the final circle, all of the people including you will crawl to move. At this time, smokes and frags show their importance to you. As you don't know the enemy's position, you can throw away frags or smokes to where enemies can hide, like trees and rocks. Lastly, do remember, always keep your health. Alright, that's all. Let's see you in the next video.